welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Samke. Thank you for tuning in, guys. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make beef pie, right? So we're going to need 2 cups of flour. We're going to need 100 grams of butter, a pinch of salt, and cold water. So we're making our pie dough, all right? So I'm going to take just a pinch of salt and just add it to the flour, right? And then when it's like this, I'm going to try and mix it with my hands. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do, make sure you've washed your hands, guys. The next thing I'm going to do is to take the butter. This is my butter, and this is cold, guys. It has to be cold butter. All right, so I'm going to mix this together. Make sure it ends up looking like breadcrumbs, not smooth. It shouldn't be smooth, guys. All right, so this is what you'll be doing. See, we are making our pie dough. Yes, don't make it smooth, it needs to be rough. All right, see, I think you guys are seeing what it looks like now. Yeah, so you continue doing this. Should look like crumbs, breadcrumbs, sort of. All right, so then now when it's like this, I'm going to start doing like this, okay? And then I'll add in a little bit of my ice cold water, all right, to this dough mixture. We don't want our dough to be soggy. Yeah, so don't add in a lot of water. So guys, as you can see, this is our dough. I'm just going to take it out and mold it into a round shape. See? And then I'll take my plastic wrap. All right, let me clean my hands a bit. Yeah, so I'm going to take my plastic wrap and cover this up, and then place it in the freezer for 30 minutes only, and then we'll take it out, guys, after 30 minutes. All right, let's cover this up and put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to be working on our filling, our pie filling. So we're putting this in the freezer for 30 minutes. Yeah, guys. So guys, as we wait for our pie dough, we're going to work on the filling now. So first of all, you're going to heat your pan up in oil, and then when it's heated up, you're going to add in your vegetables. So this is what I have. This is just onions and green peppers. So I'm just going to add them here. Our oil is already hot. All right. So now I'm going to add in garlic and ginger. This is crushed garlic and ginger. All right, just a tablespoon of that will do. Yes. So we're going to mix this. And before it fully cooks, you add in these other vegetables, all right? So I'm going to add in this one. Don't put a lot of this. All right. So the next thing you're going to do is to put the spices. I'm going to add in curry powder. This is chili. Yeah. So I'm just going to take about half a teaspoon and just put it in there, and then I'm going to take this is, see, spicy sesame. I just like adding it here, alright? Just to think it's also spicy. And then I have my black pepper as usual, alright? Just a little bit, not too much. Alright, so I'm going to give this a good stir and close it out. Alright, so let's give this a good stir. And then we close this. Allow it to cook. Oh, so guys, now it's time to add in my beef. I had boiled this, and then after that I chopped it into smaller pieces. Alright, so I'm going to add it here. This is just beef, alright, boiled beef. I already added salt, so there's no need for me to add salt again. Alright, so when it looks like this now, I'm going to take my lemon juice, just squeeze it here. Alright, and my beef stock, I'm going to add it here. So I'm going to close this up and allow it to cook. Yes. So yeah, later guys. Guys, so I'm going to add in just a tablespoon of flour. This is plain flour, just to add that thickness. And then I'm going to mix this together. Just a tablespoon, guys, don't put too much. And then now I'm going to take my sauce and add it here. I'm going to take my sauce, this sauce, and then I'm going to add a few drops. Alright, and then give this a good stir. Alright, see, it smells amazing, guys. So now I'm going to turn off the heat, right, and close this up and allow it to cook and chill at the same time. Alright, yes guys, so it's after 30 minutes. Our filling is chilling. Alright, it needs to be cold. So this is our dough, our pie dough, after 30 minutes. It's from the freezer. So yeah, let's remove it, let's get it out, and then we need to start rolling it. Alright, we roll and roll and roll it. Make sure it doesn't stick like this. When it sticks like this, you need to get a little bit of your flour and sprinkle on your face,
Would like to introduce Fried Outside.
When you're doing this, make sure that your oven is preheating. So I'm trying to make this as close as possible. So so that you don't waste any flour. And now I am removing this excess. You can even cut out some of them from here. You can roll it all over again and cut out the circles. Alright. Yeah. So when you have this, I'm going to use this for another round. So guys, now I'm going to take in our filling. This is our filling, right? I'm going to be doing it here. Here we go. Yes guys, so now I'm closing them up. So this is what you do. You take the other side and just place it over like this. Alright. So this is what you do. Right. And then you take your fork. You need to seal this so that it doesn't open up in the oven. Right. So you have to seal it with the fork like this. You can use anything else, by the way, but I'm using a fork. It works for me. So guys, as you can see, this is our pies before they go into the oven. As you can see, there is some small holes I made with the fork. I did this so that they don't open up in the oven. Alright, so now I'm going to bake this at 200 degrees, alright, until it's golden brown. I also did an egg wash, as you can see guys. Alright, so this is going into the oven. Yeah, see you guys when it's done. Bye. Hey guys, the pies are ready and they came out the way, guys. So yeah, let's check them out. Look at that. They look so good, and I love the filling, and I like the fact that it didn't really, you know, burn. So guys, yay. See those beauties. Yeah. Yes guys, so don't hesitate guys. You have to try this at home. Easy homemade pie, beef pie, right? I know the filling is very delicious. So guys, make sure you try out this recipe, and thank you for liking my videos, thank you for subscribing, thank you for viewing. All right, so until next time guys, bye. Look out for the next video.